subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates.
Hello guys, today my tutorial is based on how to increase your RAM memory up to 3 gig or 4 gig. So what we're actually going to be doing is that we're going to be creating a swap file. So it's a swap file that will create any game you play, any processes, any task you do on your phone. They are going to go directly to the swap file and not to your RAM. So now the first step is that we're going to download 2 apps on Play Store. One of the apps is to check if your phone is compatible, and the other one is to do the main task. The requirement is that you must have a rooted device. Your phone must be rooted before you say you want to increase your RAM memory, and also your memory card must be a class 10 memory card, because we'll be creating the swap file into your memory card. It's just like creating another RAM for you, which will be on your memory card. So we're going to be using your memory card storage for the RAM. So now we are going to search roehsoft. So this roehsoft's memory info is to check whether your device is compatible for it or not. So after you finish installing, although I've installed, there are 2 types of this app, but they perform the same function. This is the other one. The only difference is just the design. So the design of this one is different from that one. So I've installed this one already. So it is this one you are going to use to check if your device is compatible. Remember, I said the requirements is that you must have a rooted device. Your device must be rooted, and also your memory card must be a class 10 memory card. What do I mean by class 10 memory card? To identify your memory card is class 10, you check the memory card. You see some numbers that are written. If you have a 10 digits that are written on your memory card and is in a circle, like the 10 is inside the circle, then you're using a class 10 memory card. Or if you are not seeing anything like that, but you are seeing 1 and the 1 is inside a letter U, then you're also using a class 10 memory card. So those are the 2 most important requirements. I'm going to open this one now. So after opening, you are going to click Start RAM Expander Test. This might take some time. Okay, you are just going to create. You are going to select a storage space for it, and this is your SD card. The SD card I have now is a class 10 memory card, so I can't have any problem with it. Guys, I will advise not to use your full memory, because if you should use your full memory, it might corrupt your device. So please just don't use your full memory. Make sure you are using an SD card, a class 10 SD card. The class 10 just means that the transfer speed of the memory card is 10 megabytes per second. So that's just the main importance, to make everything fast. Okay, it says congratulations, but note that I've already granted this memory info. I've already granted it root access earlier. So if you are going to be using it, it's going to prompt root access for you. So I've already granted it. Now it says I can update my RAM up to 4 gigabytes here. So let's go to get it on market now. It's going to take me straight to the app that I'm going to use to expand the RAM. Look at it, I've installed it already. Guys, this app on Play Store is a paid app. So if you want to install it, if you don't have the money to install it, if you don't have the money on the app, you can just check my previous tutorial on how to get paid apps for free. The tutorial is free. You can just download this same app, just search for the roehsoft RAM expander there, and you're going to see. Just make sure that you check my former tutorial, and don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe. Now this is it already, so let me open it. I've installed it, I've granted it root access. It's going to prompt root access for me, and I've granted it. So now the next thing, look at it. This is my memory card storage, 2.51 gigabytes free storage. You must have enough free storage. Depends on how many MB RAM you want to create for yourself more. So I'm going to click on optimal values. So after it's finished loading, what you're going to click on next is your memory card, 2.51 gigabytes free. So I've clicked on it, you have selected it, okay. And then now this plays, it depends on you. If you are the type that plays online gaming, then net gamers is suitable for you. But if you are the one that plays on offline games and you want it to go smoothly, then just these ordinary gamers is okay for you. And then if you are the one that you don't do much task, that everything you just do on your phone is balanced, then you can choose balance. But for me, somebody like me, I do mostly multitasking. Like I open one app to another app. I can open like 5 apps at a go. So that's why I've selected multitasking for myself. So if you like, you can select balance, you can select gamers, you can select net gamers. Just this net gamers is for online gamers, this one is for offline gamers, and this one is balance and then multitasking. So I'm going to choose multitasking. Okay, you can just adjust the value before you go ahead. Although, okay, let me just go through that one. What you might do before you go ahead is that you might adjust this value as much as you want. You see, you can go up to 2.2 gigabytes, but now I'm not doing more. Let me just go for like about 995 MB of RAM. That's like approximately 1 gig of RAM. So let me select the optimal values again. It's going to ask me the same question just like we did earlier, and then you click here. I've selected the memory card already, and this one, just like I explained earlier, if you are just for gaming, just choose gamers. So I chose multitasking for myself. Click on OK. RAM has created like 769 MB more of RAM for me. So I'm just going to click on close. So you can see it here in the notification bar. Total memory 1729. The default RAM of my phone is 1 gig, then plus the 700 MB I had, making it 1.7 gig RAM. So anything I do now is going to be very fast, as in super fast. So now look at it. This is the one we created, vname free memory 734 over 769. So anything you do on your phone, guys, I promise is going to be coming back to this vname memory, and that vname free is the swap file that we've created. So any game you are playing, anything you are playing, this is the memory is coming to. This is the memory is coming to. It's not going to come to your RAM again. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Help us reach about 10k subscribers. Thank you.